General principles. On the right monitor screen at the lower left corner, there is an indication as to the flexion angle of the surrogate leg. So as you flex and extend, it will indicate it there. Below that is the varus and valgus angle opening. So if you put a varus or valgus force on the knee and you have medial lateral compartment opening, it is indicated there. Now, after initialization, you have to go through the capsule into the joint, and there you are. As you pull it out, there's the capsule coming around the end of the scope again, and you have to lead it back to that opening to get into the joint. Now, this is a right knee, and I'm going to show an example of visualization of the posterior horn of the medial meniscus. Ideally, it should be flexed about 30 degrees with a valgus force of about 4 degrees medial compartment opening. Now, if I flex too much, like down to 55 to 60 degrees, and I put a valgus force on it, I cannot see the posterior horn, just like in a real situation. If I extend too much, like 5 degrees, and put a valgus force on, I cannot see the inner edge of the meniscus. At 30 degrees with a valgus force so that the medial compartment opens about 4 degrees, then I can see the posterior horn of the medial meniscus, just like in a real knee. Now, if you inadvertently push too hard with the probe against the articular surface of the femur, a bell goes off warning you in the upper left corner of the right monitor screen. Likewise, if you hit too hard with the scope against the femur, a different tone bell goes off warning you about imminent damage to the articular cartilage of the femur.